Welcome back to Estrada Nada.
Do you?
Goodbye! Goodbye! I'm in it! Oh my god!
Mustang GT. Big damage. Big damage. Is this door open? Yeah, door still open. Definitely had a cat or a dog, I mean. Manual. Let's see. Back window shattered. 132 on it. See? Stop. Look at that dog. Shaker. I wonder if it moves, actually. Yeah, it moves. Oh, like the axle stuck. Got the 4.6 in here. Sounds healthy. Not bad at all. Alright by itself. Yeah, I like that. RT Scott Pack, yeah. So what's that?
Bruh. Bruh.
No voy a aprender esto, no. Carbon everywhere. On the Scat Pack manual joint.
Bruh.
See the fucking tire? Yep, you know why. See? Maybe. Got the shaker hood. You know I ain't gonna buy this shit. I'm just showing y'all some fucking... I just came to see the fire. The Scat Packs. There's nothing exciting over here. This is clean though. Talk about being on the floor. And this was carbon as well. Let's see, maybe. Might have some juice in it. Yeah, got some power. Man, the Scat Pack. Shaker. Yeah, this nigga fucked his shit up, no cap. 90,000 miles on the Scatty. I like all this carbon pieces. That nigga going through the trunk. This nigga right here always trying to get some free shit. I don't give a fuck, honestly. None in here. Whoever had this really took care of it. But fuck is this? Marilyn Manson. Is this worth anything? ¿Cuándo? Ya sé. Lo bueno que prendió. It's still idling really high. I try to rev it, but it's probably because it's all fucking sideways. So that makes sense. Got the other tire here. See, they definitely took care of it. If they got rags in the back, they give the fuck about their car. This nigga gonna forget the jump pack. Look, alright, we got the G8. Something special about this one. I'll show you guys right now. Too fast power. If you know about the G8s, I'm about to show you right now what I think might be something special down here. Oh yeah, supercharged G8. Look at that. What do you guys think? This has, I forgot how many miles it has. It has a little bit of miles. It's like in the 30,000 range. Yeah, when you put the jumper on this mug. As you can see, took this whole side clip off. See how bent that shit is. Show you guys damage. Take you guys around it. Very clean car. Definitely well taken care of. 23,000 miles on it. That is nothing. Fuck, whoever had this, I am sorry what happened to your car for sure. Yeah, I like this G8. It's fucking nice. You got your e-brake here. Very slick way. What do you guys think? Fuck with this G8. Oh, we got some headliner damage right there with the airbags going off everywhere. Definitely protected the driver. What are these, Gucci's? Oh, I guess. You guessed it right. See some power on this. Oh yeah, we got some power. Wow. Oh, this thing is fucking quiet, bro. Wow. You guys hear that? This fool had it on stealthy mode for sure. Nothing's done to exhaust the motor. Wow, that shit runs perfectly. If you guys want a G8, low miles, this would be a really good pickup for anybody, honestly. I'm gonna drop the lot number below. All the windows work. It's definitely not gonna move at all, so got heated seats, good options. Got all your seat controls work. I'll show you guys the back seat. Just gotta go into it. You already know how he does. Fire. No lights on the dash besides airbag light, of course. I wonder if it's gonna turn back on. Nah, that battery You get the gist though. Dope as fuck. Give you guys another look at it. Very stock. Little stock, like stealthy stock. But this right here is not stock at all. Dope. And it looks like it was done right.